Welcome to everyone. I am Krishnend, MCA student in Kannur University. Today I will be presenting my seminar topic hill climbing technique. This is one of the fundamental heuristic search algorithm used for optimization in AI. Introduction to AI search techniques. In artificial intelligence, most problems can be viewed as a search through a space possible solutions. There are two main type of search: uniform search and informed search. Hill climbing is a heuristic search technique. It is used to feedback from environment guide search toward the best solution efficiently. What is hill climbing? The hill climbing algorithm is an optimization algorithm that works like climbing hill, step by step, always moving to the higher position. The algorithm starts with an arbitrary solution for improve incrementally by comparing neighboring states. It's widely used when search space large or complex. Basic idea of hill climbing. The core idea is to use a heuristic evaluation function to estimate how good each state is. From the current state, we look the neighboring state and move to the one that has a better heuristic value. The process continue until there is no better neighbor, meaning we have reached a peak. Algorithm steps. The algorithm works in the 5 steps. First one, start with a random initial state. Evaluate the current state. Third one, generate nearby state. Fourth one, move to the best neighbor. Fifth one, repeat until no neighbor is better. It's simple, but that simplicity also introduce some limitation which will we will discuss later. Type of hill climbing. There are three main types. First one, simple hill climbing, which checks the neighbor sequentially. Second one, cheapest ascent hill climbing, which checks the all neighbor and chooses the cheapest one. Third one, stochastic hill climbing, which picks a random neighbor and decides to probabilistically whether to move. Example of simple hill climbing. Let's consider the function f of x equal to minus x square plus 4x plus 1. The goal is to find the x value that gives the maximum f of x. The algorithm starts the some random x, evaluate the neighbor like x plus or minus 0. 0.1 and keeps the moving until to no neighbor give a higher value. That's our pick. Pseudocode. The pseudocode shows the general structure. Start from the initial state. Choose the better neighbor. If it's better, moves there. Otherwise, stop. You have reached the top. The top might not always to be a global maximum, but often a local maximum. Python example. Here's the simple Python implementation. We use the random starting point between minus 10 and positive 10 and define a function f of x equal to minus x square plus 4x plus 1. The algorithm moves in small steps comparing the current and neighbor value the and stops when it can't improve further. When we run this, the typically finds x approximately equal to 2 and f of x approximately equal to 5, which is the top of our hill. Common problems in hill climbing. However, hill climbing has several issues. First, local maximum. The algorithm might stop all at a small hill instead of the tallest one. Second, plateau. The flat area with no improvement can cause it to stall. Ridge. It might require diagonal movement, but the algorithm only move the simple direction. These problems reduce the chance of finding global optimization. Enhancement to hill climbing. To overcome these issues, improved the versions are used. Random restart hill climbing. Run the algorithm multiple times from different starting point. Simulated annealing. The essentially allow the downhill move escape local maximum. Taboo search keeps a memory of a visited states to avoid repetition. Advantages. Hill climbing is simple to implement, fast because it is due to little memory, and efficient and problems with a smooth landscape. It's great when a good solution is enough when even if it's not perfect. Limitations. However, it has some drawbacks. Can easily get stuck in a local maximum. Doesn't perform well in a complex landscape. Doesn't grant finding a best possible solution. Applications. Hill climbing is widely used in AI and optimization tasks like pathfinding, robot navigation, and route planning. Second, function optimization and scheduling a resource allocation in operations research. These problems often have a large search space where exact algorithms are imperative. Comparison with other methods. Compared to algorithms like best fastest, A star hill climbing use less memory is faster, but it does not always finding the optimal solution since it does not explore the full search tree. A star is a granted to find the best solution, while hill climbing is heuristic and approximate. Visualization. If you visualize is a graph imaging ball rolling unhill until the stop at the peak. In an animated graph, we can see it grandly moving upward, something stuck, sometimes reaching the top. Python code output example. The running the Python code, we get the result like 1.9 and 4.21. This shows that the algorithm successfully find the top region through not always the exact global maximum. Such result demonstrate the strength and simplicity of the hill climbing approach. Conclusion. To summarize, the climbing is a simple yet powerful optimization algorithm. It's useful for solving problems where we can estimate the progress using heuristic through the it may stack. Combining it with a technique like random restart improve the performance. Overall, i- it's a key concept of AI approach to local search and optimization. Reference I have referred into the online resource of Greek for Greeks in hill climbing algorithm notes. Thank you for listening.